how to get good results from your Amazon PPC campaign, all the information step by step in this video. So keep on watching. So if you are a beginner and you don't know that how you can set up a PPC campaign for your Amazon product, or if you have currently set up a campaign and that is not giving you results, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing you the complete step-by-step strategy that I have personally used on one of my products, and that is giving me a good result. So if you're interested in learning more about that product case study, so watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be super important for you and surely gives you a great knowledge about Amazon PPC. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So right now, as you can see here, I'm on my computer screen. So first of all, let me just show you some sales and some backend PPC results. And after that, I will start showing you the strategy and I'll walk you through step by step at how you can implement that on your PPC campaign. So you can see that this is one of my products and I have launched this product like 2 months ago. And I have started selling this product with the lowest possible budget. I have ordered only 1,000 units from the Chinese supplier at the price of $1.5 each. And you can see that in last 180 days, I have got 691 orders. And if we switch this to 30 days, so we can see that we have got 335 orders in 30 days. That means on an average, I have got 10 plus orders in one day. So how many orders from PPC and how many organic orders I'm going to be showing you in a moment. So let's go to our PPC dashboard. So here you can see that I have multiple campaigns set up. Some are automatic campaign, some are manual campaign, some are product targeting, and some are keyword targeting. Don't worry, I'll explain you all these terminologies in a moment. So you can see that I have all the campaigns turned off, but only this one turned on. But in past 60 days, I kept switching some campaigns off and some campaigns on. So this is called campaign tuning as per the results of PPC campaigns. So first of all, let's discuss how many sales and how many ad spend. So you can see here the best performing 3 campaigns are keyword targeting 1, keyword targeting 2, and 3. So you can see that this column ROAS, which means return on ad spend, like how much we spend on ads and against that spend, how much sales we get. So you can see that the value of ROAS for this campaign, keyword target 1, keyword 2, and keyword 3 is 2.61, 2.24, and 2.2. So anything more than 1 is good, but more than 2 is great. And if you are more than 3, that means that is best. So you can see that this campaign keyword targeting 1 is performing very good because it is having 2.61 ROAS. That means I have spent over $899 on this campaign, and against that spend I have got 179 sales, which is in revenue $2,347. So that means this ad is performing good. And you can see that I have only set $15 per day budget on this ad. And how I create this campaign, I will show you in a moment. So let's go to campaign 3. You can see that the ROAS is 2.24 and I have spent over $134, and against that I got 27 sales, which is $300 in revenue, and so on. So you can see that overall in past 2 months I have spent over $2,700 in PPC, and against that I have got around 5,400 in revenue and total 398 sales. So you can see that here I've got if I switch to past 90 days, so you can see that on this account I am having only one product and all these orders are from this product, and in past 90 days, like from the day I launched this product, I got 691 orders in total, and from those 398 are from PPC. So let's just do some math. 691 minus 398. So that means 398 sales we got from PPC and 293 sales we got organic. Which means for these 293 sales, I paid nothing to Amazon and I have got these sales for free. Because when I start getting some sales from PPC, that maintain my sales velocity per day. And then against that, I have got some reviews and I have got a good bestseller rank in my category. So that is the thing. Like half sales I got from PPC, and against that sales, I spent some money on ads. But the other half of the sales I got for free, and the total profit from those sales I got directly into my bank. So now I hope you have got the idea how the PPC campaign runs And now I'm going to break down the whole process step by step, that how I started and how I bring that campaign to that point. So whatever your product is, the first step is to create an automatic PPC campaign and let that campaign run for at least 5 days or 1 week. So that automatic campaign will give you some data about that product and give you some results. So you can later use that data to create your manual campaign and optimize that manual campaign as per the data of the automatic campaign. So now the question that comes in your mind is how you can create an automatic campaign. So that is super simple. You have to just go to your Seller Central and click on advertising and click on campaign manager. And from there, you have to click on create campaign. And from there, you have to choose this sponsored product and click continue. Remember, this account is not a brand registered account, so I am just explaining you the PPC concept for sponsored product. But if you are interested in learning that how we can run a PPC campaign for our brand registered account, so you can just watch my other videos in my playlist in which I have explained you in detail that how you can run and optimize the PPC campaign on your branded products and branded account. Because if you are having a brand registered on your Amazon account, so there are some other valuable features like sponsored brand and a video PPC that will be unlocked to your account, and that will give you some good results. But as I said that this account is not a brand registered account, so in this video I'm just focusing on sponsored products. First of all, we have to click on continue, and then we have to give a name to the campaign like automatic test campaign XYZ, what your product name is. And the start date is today, 28 March, and the budget you have to set is like $30 per day, and you have to check this automatic targeting. So first of all, we need to understand that what automatic campaign is and what manual campaign is. So right now I'm just explaining you roughly, but if you want to know in detail that what automatic campaign is, what manual campaign is, what dynamic bids up and down is, so you can watch my specific video in detail in my playlist in which I have explained these things to you in detail. But right now I'm just covering this topic and just quickly explain you that what automatic campaign is. So if you are creating an automatic campaign for your Amazon product, that means you are setting the budget for $30 for a day, and you are allowing Amazon that please display my products to wherever you want and wherever you feel best. So against that, Amazon will display your product on many keywords that are relevant to your product, and Amazon will show your ad to many of your competitors' products. And then against that, when you get some sales, then Amazon will give you data that I have displayed your product on these spots, on these keywords and on these ASIN, and against that spot, against that keyword, I got 2 sales, I got 0 sales, or I got 5 sales. So that you will be able to understand that this keyword is performing good for my product and this keyword is not. And then later you can use that data to target specifically for that product or that keyword in your manual campaign. So that is the whole concept. So after that, we have to click on dynamic bids up and down, because that means we are allowing Amazon that whenever Amazon feel that we can get some sales, they can just increase or decrease our bids a little just to get some sales. And when we go down, we have to just name the ad group, or you can leave it. And then you have to select a product for which you want to target this campaign. We can select this one, and then when you go down, you have to select a bid. So you can see that Amazon is suggesting a $0.75 default bid, so we can just leave it or we can just increase that to 1. It's totally depending on you. And then you have to just click on launch campaign, and that's it. That's easy how it is to create an automatic campaign like in 2 minutes. So what you have to do is you have to just launch this campaign, and you have to wait for 5 to 7 days for this campaign to work for you and gives you some data. And then you can utilize that data to create a manual campaign for you, which I'll show you in a moment. So now I'm going to walk you through to my automatic campaign, which I run with the same way, and I have got some data. And I'm going to show you that how I got the data and how I utilize that data to create manual campaign. So when I go to my campaign manager, you can see that I have a set spot auto campaign. So this campaign I run for some days, and when I get some data from that campaign, I just turn on this campaign. So when you run the automatic campaign, to get the data from that campaign, you have to click on the campaign, and then you have to click on ad group, and from there you have to click on search term on the left side, and then you have to select the date range, because I have paused this campaign for more than 30 days. So when I click here, so I just basically go there and select the date from the beginning till now, 28 March, and click save. So you can see that right now I'm having all the data. Like these are the ASINs and these are the keywords on which Amazon displays the ad of my product, and against that ASIN or keyword I got that amount of sales. So you can see that I've got one click on that ASIN but zero sales. I've got one click on that ASIN but zero sales. But on this ASIN I have got 6 click and 2 sales. So that means this ASIN is very useful for me. So what you have to do is you have to click on export, so that all of this data will be saved in an Excel sheet. So you can just open that sheet and you can just sort that by number of sales. So as you can see that I have exported that data and opened that in a spreadsheet. And I am having these columns here like number of clicks, number of orders, and number of sales, and A cost, and etc. etc. So I have just basically sorted these columns as per sales. So I have got those ASINs or those keywords which bring a lot of sales on the top. So you can just go there and you can see that these are the number of sales and these are number of orders. So you can see that 2 orders on this ASIN, 1 order on this ASIN, and 2 orders on this ASIN, and 14 orders on this keyword set spot, and 5 order on this ASIN. So what you have to do is you have to collect the ASINs and you have to collect the keywords on which you have got more sales, and you have to save those keywords and save those ASINs in a document which you can use to create manual campaign in future. So for example, this is the ASIN on which I've got 5 sale. So I can just copy that ASIN and I can just paste that ASIN here. And we can see that this is our competitor and I have got 5 sales when my ad displayed on this listing. So that means this ASIN is good and I can target this ASIN and I can put a higher bid on that to get more and more sales. So right now, what can be the reason that I have got many sales on this ASIN? Because this ASIN is selling the same product as mine for $18.99 and my product is for $12.99. So when someone open that listing and they can see my ad on that listing, that I'm selling the same product but for cheaper price, so they can just purchase my product. So that can be the reason, and that is completely my assumption. So that means this ASIN is lucky for me or good for me. So I can just grab all that ASIN and all that keyword and I can just use that into my manual campaign. So right now I'm going to be showing you that how you can create manual campaign for your Amazon PPC. So for that you have to again go to your campaign manager and then you have to click continue, and here you have to rename the campaign like manual campaign XYZ, and here you have to set the budget like $30. And now you have to click on manual campaign and then dynamic bids up and down, and here you have to select a product, and here you have to tell Amazon either you want to target keyword or you want to target product. For example, in this campaign we want to target keyword and in our other campaign we want to target product. So if you want to target product, you have to click on that, you have to write the default bid, and then you have to add the products. Like you have to click on individual product and you have to go there. You can copy that ASIN and you have just paste that ASIN on search, and then you can target. And then you have to go again on that sheet and you can see that this ASIN is also good. So you can just copy that, come here again, search that, and then click on target. And again, you have to repeat the same process for some other ASINs as well, like copy, paste, search, and then target. So in that way, you can target as many ASINs as you can, which you have got from your automatic PPC campaign. And when you're done targeting all, so you can go down and you can see that all these ASINs are present here. So you can just increase that bit, but it is completely okay if you go with Amazon suggested bid. So at the last, you have to click on launch campaign and that's it. And that manual campaign will start targeting all those keywords and all those ASINs manually, which you have told them to target. So in that way, if you run your automatic campaign and get the data from that campaign, and then you keep creating some manual campaign according to that data, and then you just keep optimizing the budgets and the bids and the keywords on that campaign, then you will be having a good results like me. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and understand all this strategy. And if you want to know more about PPC and Amazon, so I have made a lot of videos on some case studies and some detailed video on each and every topic for Amazon on my channel. So you can just go there and watch my other videos. And if you want to know that what main tools I personally use for optimizing my campaigns, my product, finding keywords, then you can just go down in the description of this video so you can find my affiliate link for Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. So you can just get those tools at up to 50% discount, and those tools will help you a lot in optimizing your Amazon store. And also, if you want to know that how you can use those tools and how those tools will be beneficial for you, so you can just watch my other videos in which I explain you in detail that how you can just find keyword for your product from Helium 10 and how you can just optimize your PPC campaign from super relevant keyword from the Jungle Scout. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.